Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. When you use your phone, a lot of dirt and grease stains are left on the phone screen. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a phone screen or a screen protector. There are two easy ways to clean your phone screen. Use cleaning set. The most effective way to clean your phone screen or screen protector is to use a special cleaning set that usually includes a bottle of liquid and some microfiber cloth. The liquid does not contain any alcohol or aggressive components, so it won't damage the screen protector or the phone screen. Some cleaning kits include a brush to clean hard-to-reach areas. Wet wipes. Wet wipes usually come with a tempered glass screen protector. You can also purchase them at any phone accessory store. Wet wipes soaked in 70% alcohol easily clean the phone screen of dirt, dust, fingerprints, or grease stains. After wiping the phone screen with an alcohol wipe, remove any remaining moisture with a dry wipe. From personal experience, I can add that ordinary wet hand wipes are also suitable for cleaning the phone screen. However, sometimes those wipes contain some perfume, which can make your phone screen a bit sticky, which is not very pleasant. Therefore, it's better to use screen wipes, alcohol wipes, or special cleaning kit. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you later.